everyone, welcome back to Bruno and Sandy's channel. Today, we'll be unboxing and testing the dancemoon HRO1 pet hair removal tool. We received this as a gift from dancemoon. We're excited to show you how it works. If your pets shed like mine, you'll definitely want to keep watching. Let's see what's inside the box. Here's the roller. It's lightweight and compact, but it feels really sturdy and high quality, not flimsy at all. The handle is detachable, making it easy to store or take on the go. This tool is manual, so no batteries or cords needed. Just roll it, and it picks up hair effortlessly. Now, let's give it a try on Bruno and Sandy's favorite chair. Rolling it back and forth, you can see how well it's picking up their fur. The roller glides smoothly over the fabric, and the sturdy build makes it super easy to handle. Remember, this tool isn't suitable for leather sofas, shaggy carpets, or elastic fabrics, but it works perfectly on regular fabric chairs like this. Now, here's something cool. There's a built-in comb at the back of the handle that helps sweep out any trapped hair from the bin. It's a handy little feature that keeps everything clean and tidy. The dancemoon HRO1 is a sturdy, high-quality tool that makes dealing with pet hair much easier. Just remember, avoid using it on leather, elastic fabrics, or shaggy carpets, and don't use it directly on pets or people. Overall, we're really impressed with how well it works. If you're interested, you can grab one directly from dancemoon's website. The link is in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on how you deal with pet hair in your home.